So student, we have discussed about elementary operation. Now we are doing exercise 3.4. Today we will try to solve 2 into 2 order questions, and after that in next lecture we will solve 3 into 3 order matrices. So question number 1 is, using elementary operation find the inverse of 1 minus 1 2 3. Matrix is given. So let A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. We have let given matrix as A. Now we knows that A is equal to IA. If we are multiplying identity matrix with any matrix, then its value will be same. So we will write like this: 1 minus 1 2 3 1 0 0 1. This is the value of identity matrix into A. Now student, you have to remember that you don't have to do anything in right hand side. You always try to made left hand side matrix as identity matrix. Means you have to change its row and column like 1 0 0 1. So taking this point in our minds, we will solve it. So first operation we are doing R2 such that R2 minus 2 R1. So nothing will be done in R1. So R1 is same, 1 minus 1, and R2. When we are subtracting R2 minus 2 R1, so what will come? 2 minus 2 into 1, so it will be 2 also, so it will 0, and 3 minus, so here it is minus, so it will be plus, so it will be minus 3 and plus 2, it will be 5. And here the same operation will be applied in right hand side. We have to take our mind that we have to do left hand side 1 0 0 1, but whatever operation we are doing left hand side, we have to do it in right hand side also. Okay, so it will be 1 0 minus 2 1. Same operation we have done in right hand side. Now in R2 we have to apply 1 upon 5 R2, so it will be 1 minus 1 0 1, because we divide R2 by 5, so it will be 1. And same operation will be done in left hand side, so it will be 1 0 minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 into A. Now R1 plus R1 we are doing R1 plus R2. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 0 1. And the same operation will be done in right hand side, so it will be 3 upon 5 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. And as we can see that left hand side is 1 0 0 1, and we have to do like this. Now this is I, and if we are putting A, let this is I, and this matrix is given and A, so we will put A in upon of I. Here matrix is this matrix is there, so A inverse will be, when we are putting 1 upon anything into numerator, so it will be in inverse. So 3 upon 5 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So this is the required inverse of given matrix. So in this type of matrices, you always try to keep in your mind that left hand side you have to change 1 0 0 1, and whatever operation we are applying in left hand side, that will go in right hand side also, and whatever values is coming, that is a, you have to remember one more thing, that whatever operation you are applying, answer will always same. Sometime different students are applying different operations and answer is coming different, so it is not correct. Whatever operation you are applying, answer should be always same. So you have to keep this point in mind. Now we are doing next question. Find inverse of 2 1 1 1. So let A is this, then we know that A is equal to IA. We have put values. Now we are changing R1 R2. R1 R2, this operation means we are only interchanging these two rows. So first row we made second, and second row we made first, and same operation will be applied in right hand side also. Now R2 minus 2 R1, because we are keeping in mind that we have to made it here 0. So 1 1 0 minus 1 and 0 1 1 minus 2. Then R1 plus R2. In R1 we are doing R1 plus R2, so 1 0 0 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 into A will come. Now we can multiply R2 by minus sign, so it will be 1 0 0 1, and the same operation will be applied in right hand side also, so it will be 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into A. Then A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. So this is the required inverse. So you have to take always in your mind that you have to change left hand side as 1 0 0 1 if it is 2 into 2 order matrix, and whatever operation you are applying left hand side, that will apply also in right hand side. So your answer will come always same if you are doing like this. Now in between all the questions are of the 22 order, so we are doing question number 13. Let A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Let so A is equal to I, we knows, we have right values. Now we are doing R1 plus R2, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 1 1 0 1. Same operation will apply here. Now in R2 plus R1 we are doing. So first we add in R1 R2, and now we are adding R1 in R2, so 1 minus 1 0 1 1 1 1 2 into A. Then again in R1 plus R2 we are doing, so 1 0 0 1 will come, and right hand side 2 3 1 2 into A will come. Instead, if you are doing any question 2-3 times, then you will be understand very easily. This is a very simple operations in 2 into 2 order, and this is a very important question because questions come from this exercise also in board examination. So you have to take this point in your mind. Now question number 14. Let A is equal to 2 1 4 2. So we knows that A is equal to IA. We have put values. Then in R2 we are dividing by 1 upon 2. In in R1 we are dividing it by 1 upon 2. So it will be 1 upon 2 and 4 2. Nothing will change in R2 because operation is applying in R1. Same operation will be here, 1 upon 2 0 0 1. And in R2 minus 4 R1 we are doing now. So 1 upon 2, and here it will come 0, it will come also 0. So 1 upon 2 0 minus 2 1 is equal to A into A. Now student, you have to always remember that if all the elements of any row or any column are 0, then the value cannot be exist. So in this matrix we have seen that R2 is totally 0. So since R2 has all elements 0, thus inverse of matrix A does not exist. So you have to confirm about the thing that your calculations are wrong. If this type of point is coming, then inverse does not exist in that case. So in between all the questions are similar. You try it and you can ask me after that whatever you have queries. Thank you very much.